Okay, I'm packed and I'm ready. I didn't film the packing because honestly guys, it was just far too stressful. I'm not going to lie, I'm still not fully recovered myself. Like I'm a mess. It's exciting, but like oh my god, my nerves are fucking shot at the moment. Oh, it's so overwhelming, like kind of getting everything ready and trying to like get like to leave. Because like you get so comfortable in one spot and then like you have to leave and it's like you have to pack up like your whole fucking life. And I couldn't fit everything into my car, so now I'm like anxious that I forgot. No, I've got everything that I think, my basics, I think I have them all. Well, I know when I get up there, but like I just want to give you my initial feelings instead of coming back later and saying it. So I'll update you when I get to Galway and get into my room. And I'll probably have to redecorate it because it's like very basic at the moment, but it'll be fine. I brought up a rug, some side tables, some plants, a mirror just to kind of, you know, make it a bit more of my own, because I'm like the type of person that needs to be in a nice space to be happy. Like I can't live in like an ugly space. I can't. Oh, I'm so nervous. I'm like so nervous but so excited. I feel like this is going to be good for me and good for just everything. It's a new experience, isn't it? But yeah, I'll check in when I get there because I don't want to be too distracted by this camera when I'm trying to drive. Oh yeah, that's like a look at everything in the back, by the way. It's full. We're fully stacked. We're fully packed. So yeah, talk to you in a bit. Bye. Okay, so I thought I would check in because it's been a couple of days. So yesterday we had a meeting in the bar. I went to site. That kitchen's been installed this week, which is very exciting. Yeah, I'm now going to see the new showroom, which is very exciting. I also have to get a new laptop because mine broke yesterday, which is a very fun expense. And yeah, that's the update. So yeah, let's go. I did something. Okay, so my laptop broke last night. I don't know if I told you already, so I went to Harvey Norman and I got myself a new one. But I got myself a MacBook. Am I silly? Maybe, but you know what? I needed ooh, it comes open so nice. I needed a new laptop and I was wanting to get a MacBook for literally forever. So I thought this is the perfect opportunity to get one. So it's just the MacBook Air and I got it in space gray. Ooh, satisfying. Okay, this might be satisfying. Okay, so this is the, don't know what my, oh, so it picks up. Okay, oh well, that's not as that's what it's going to be. I got like all the cover and care that you could possibly get on it because I was talked into it. Do I regret it? No. I was only going to do extra for 4 years. Oh, that's so nice. Oh my goodness. So this is it, opening for the first time. Ooh, that's nice. Oh my god, it just turned straight on. Well, clearly this is my first time owning one of these, so ooh, I like this. Hello, how are you? Okay, it's all set up and it's ready to go. And I feel relieved because I have a new MacBook. I'm very excited about it. Yeah, Photoshop is just installing. And yeah, I have all these here as well that needed to install. But I feel good. I feel like I've accomplished something today, which is enough to be said. But yeah, I'm settling in quite well to Galway. I really like it. I'll give you a room tour soon because I'm going to do like a quick room transformation. Oh my god, the seat is so like wonky. But yeah, I'll be doing a room transformation and everything, so that's installed now. Okay, so I'm just about to open up the coffee machine and see what it's like. Can you see me? Yeah, all good. Okay, right. It's actually very nice. I must say, it's very nice. Okay, so I mean, to be honest, I don't really know what coffee to get. I should have probably opened it up first before I went buying coffee, but right, live and you learn. It's actually like a chocolate or something. Really cute. Okay, I didn't get the right ones in Costa, but it's fine. We have to sample these and see which one's the nicest. I wish this was one poly just like pop in and that was it. But it's fine. I'm just back from food shopping now. I was going to show you what I got. This is my first time shopping the Duns up here, so it's kind of overwhelming, but it's such a nice shop. So I got this orange juice. It's like freshly squeezed, really cool. I don't really drink orange juice, but I saw this and it just looked like the display was very nice. So I was like, ooh, I'll better get some of that. I got myself some mushrooms. I got a courgette because you know essential. I got falafels, delicious. These ones are very nice if you haven't tried them before. I got jammy dodgers because they're vegan and they're delicious. Because you have to have some sweetness, I think. I got myself some coffee. Yeah, good one. I like the Lavazza. That's my favorite kind of brand. And then I got like obviously like shampoo and conditioner. Oh, shampoo conditioner. I got tofu because you need that. I got a pizza. This is so nice. If you haven't tried this, it's like the Dun's own brand. It's just like a Mediterranean vegetable pizza and it's so delicious. Really nice. Definitely recommend. I got vegan magnums. The ones with the almonds because they're my favourite. I got the corn burgers because these are my favourite burgers. Obviously a Vigo bar because you can't go into Dun's and not get a Vigo bar. Very nice. Very excited. I got hangers. I got sourdough bread. Yeah, because I got avocado. Very nice. I was looking for like dishes and stuff like to put all this stuff into Dun's, but like I didn't know the home section was upstairs, so I got yogurt, like vanilla flavored. Just simple. I got some peppers just because I want to make something. I got got don't know why, just saw it and I like the colour. I got onions because necessary, and I got pasta sauce, and that is all. Oh, sorry, actually I'm right. And the garlic. This is actually very good value. All this was only €57, and that's like 2 full shopping bags. And that'll do like a week and a half, I'd say. So yeah, that's what I got. So you can see, ooh, what are they called, Catherine? Sia bowls, that's that. Sia bowls, yummy. Hello, how are you today? I'm just gonna make myself a coffee. How am I doing? I'm doing okay. Oh, sugar. Yeah, I'm doing okay. I have a lot of things at the moment with money. You know, when you're doing interior design and stuff, like it's kind of a funny topic. But it is your lifeline, like how you survive. And I have like a couple, one in particular who hasn't paid me yet. Luckily I'm not in a panic for it, but like, you know, it should be paid as soon as you possibly can pay it. Think about hiring an interior designer, pay them on time, because it's just polite. And I'm here just making a coffee. And I'm going home today because I need to get my hair cut, so yeah, that's what's going on. And I have 2 design consultations on my way home, so yeah, never stops. But that's fun. And also the painters coming to one of the rooms I'm doing on Monday, which I'm very excited about because I can't wait to see the colours all come together. But yeah, let me just make this quick. Yum, oh, it's so nice. 10 points. Definitely, if you have one of these espresso machines, get the caramel flavoured one. You won't regret it, like wow. Okay, so this is all the accessories. I'm just gonna put them all in place now in the kitchen at the back. Okay, so I'm just coming from site there now, like, ooh, life is crazy. But I just had a call there, so I'm doing this really huge project at the moment. Like, it's literally like once in a blue moon type of project. So I'm going to start that that this week. But I just wanted to let you know that the project I'm doing at the moment is going really well. The window seat just went in today, so it's like fully finished now and it looks amazing. And then either tomorrow or Friday or Monday, the TV built-in unit's going to be done, and then the painter's coming, and actually I have to call the painter. The painter's coming, and then the headboard and everything's coming the week after. This is really exciting. So yeah, just want to let you know what's been going on. So. Yep. Oh, me and Rebecca went to, what's it called, the neighborhood? Neighborhood, got a vegan wagon wheel, and a coffee. What did you get, Rebecca?
Muffin.
And we're just at the beach. Oh, that's gorgeous.
Can you see the inside?
Oh, I feel like I'm like a food blogger. Okay, so I have a little bit of a headache. And I'm going to solve that by making myself a smoothie. Is that delusional? Oh my gosh. I was like, I don't know who this was for a second. But yes, I'm going to do. So hopefully that'll make my head a bit better. It's not like, it's like just like here. Like it's just like a sharp pain. And I think it might be because I've been wearing my headphones like literally constantly the past week. But like I work better when I'm listening to music, so that's why I'm wearing my headphones. And I've had the volume up like max, so maybe it's like some of my ears. I don't know. Oh, bye. Question being is, does it taste nice? It's okay. I mean, I'm gonna try it home a bit, but like, I mean, it's okay. This is so chaotic. So the ambulance here needs to get across, but the train thing is up. So this train is like literally affecting someone's life. So yeah, this is happening right now, and it'd be interesting to see what happens. I feel like I'm in a movie or something. I don't know. Okay, you get the picture.
No. How's that? You're making tea now. The dog, you're going to excite her, she won't want colours back again. I'll do a big fuck with you. You're so pale.
Regular Saturday, going down to get some water in this spout. Because here in Achill we don't get water from the sink, so yeah. This is our Saturday routine, just coming to the beach. Doors and then getting our where is it? I think it's over here somewhere, so yeah. Stay tuned. It's a very steep hill. Just small increments. It's over there. But like, how gorgeous is this? This is Achill, people. Good morning. I feel like it's been a minute since I've vlogged, but Alexa, stop. Please, thank you very much. I got a little package from ASOS. So I do like a quick little opening of it now. So I got a pair of trousers, but I'm not going to try them on also because I don't need to. But they were like Topman and ASOS are now like one kind of company because ASOS bought Topman. And long story short, those these trousers and they look really cool. And yeah, okay, right. Oh my god, I'm so happy. Okay, alright. These look like they're gonna fit perfectly. I just really love this kind of detailing on it, like this kind of, I don't know what that's technically called, but like that fold. I really like that in trousers at the moment. And I really like these kind of suit trousers. As you can see, I'm wearing my grey ones now, which fit like a dream. So like if you're looking for a good pair of suit trousers that like you can wear like kind of casually, the Tent Baker ones are exquisite. So I definitely recommend. But these ones are really nice. I really like the texture in them as well. That's one thing I do like about trousers, like a texture. Like I like when they feel like, you know, very solid and sturdy. So I'm excited to wear these. This is the live. Hello March. You're beautiful so far. It's so gorgeous. We're just having a little paddle on the water. What do you think of it, Tara? Nice and warm. Oh, it is actually, my feet are kind of going numb. Just got a little Naven's takeaway food. So I'm just blowing up loads of balloons now that say happy birthday because that's what I want. I'm fucking getting lightheaded here, man. Oh my goodness. I'm over halfway done, I think, though. So I'm not doing too bad. It's all the letters done there. So yeah, I think it's like very holographic. And then I'm just going to put like these little things on the table, as well as the red cups here, there. And yeah, and that will be it. And maybe up them as well. But yeah, so.
So, it's not a French word, moet. Even though it looks like it should be pronounced moet in France, I do French. But it is wow! It's a Dutch word. And my dad lives in Holland.
Anyway, that's how you pronounce it.
What?